Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to disable international shipping on eBay. This is a vital skill for simplifying your logistics or concentrating on local sales. Whether you're a beginner or just need a reminder, follow these steps. Start by logging into your eBay account with your credentials. Once logged in, move your cursor to the top left corner where your name appears. Hover over it to reveal a drop-down menu and choose Account Settings. This area allows you to manage your eBay operations, including shipping preferences. Inside Account Settings, locate and click on Business Policies. This section serves as the central hub for your shipping, payment, and return rules. To find the right setting quickly, apply the shipping filter to isolate those specific policies. Once you identify your shipping policy, click the three dots on its left side to open the menu, then select Edit. You are now in the policy details. Scroll down to the International Shipping area, which determines if your listings are visible to global buyers. In this section, look for Add Shipping Services and its accompanying toggle. To stop international orders, simply move this switch to the off position. This change ensures your items are only available to domestic customers. Crucially, you must save your progress. Scroll to the very bottom of the page and hit the Save button. Skipping this step means your changes won't take effect, and the system will keep your old settings. That's all there is to it. You've successfully deactivated international shipping on eBay. This adjustment gives you more control over your sales strategy and streamlines your workflow. You can always return to business policies if you want to re-enable this feature later. Thanks for watching and happy selling.